So this is a quick tour of what Riverside FM's AI tools can do for you. I'm going to go into my most recent project and click on it. And within each project, you've got different sections. You've got recordings, and the second one is made for you, and that is Riverside FM's AI tools. So the moment you upload a recording, whether you've done it on Zoom or Teams or on Riverside FM itself, Riverside will create a magic episode for you. The original recording I did was 5 minutes and 34 seconds. This, I noticed, this magic episode is 5 minutes and 20 seconds, which tells me, I haven't seen it, but it tells me that Riverside's AI tools have tidied it up a bit. That might mean removing certain pauses, or a few ums and ers, or just cutting it back if I've repeated myself, so that it's just a little bit neater. And it also, as you can see, has got some captions. Now, if you're not happy with that magic episode, you can always click the scissors edit button down in the bottom right-hand corner and go to the dashboard and edit it down in a way that you're happy with. Underneath the magic episode, you'll find magic clips. And because mine was quite a short recording, Riverside has extracted just 2 clips. But if you do longer recordings, there'll be many more magic clips. And those are the little snippets that Riverside has decided are particularly significant. Perhaps they've got a key message or a practical tip or some new insight. And it has created a couple of little magic clips. It always creates them as verticals for Reels or YouTube stories, but what you can do is edit those clips. So it may be that you're happy with it and you can just download it or share it by clicking on the share button here, and you'll see you have lots of different options. You can save it to your laptop, you can copy the link, you can share directly to a range of social media platforms. However, if you want to fiddle about with it a bit more, you can click on the edit icon and Riverside will take you to the dashboard that corresponds specifically to that clip. So if I start playing it, so when I was a producer on a program called Desert Island Disc, you can see that Riverside has greyed out most of the recording, the original recording, and has just kept that short clip, which it's called Crafting Elevator Pitches. And I know it's called it that because the name is in the top centre bit of the screen. So just say I was happy with the clip, but I actually wanted it to go on LinkedIn. What I do is stay in the centre at the top and click on the icon, which gives me a drop-down menu of different aspect ratios. So if I want LinkedIn, in other words, a square, I just click on 1:1 and you can see immediately it's changed to a square. And I can export it like that. If I want a second clip, exactly the same clip, but I want to put it on YouTube, I can click 16:9 and that will create a YouTube version for me. And then again, I can just export it. And of course, you can make use of all the other tools that Riverside gives you in terms of editing. So you can change the captions, change the color or the font. You can click on brand, which gives you a chance to add your logo or change the color palette. And you can use more AI tools, for example, removing any more pauses or filler words, or just getting it to find what it calls the fluff. So that is a quick guide to Riverside's Made For You section, which includes the magic episode and the magic clips.